Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making royal bacon breakfast burgers. For the sake of time, I went ahead and prepared everything in advance. I'm going to show you me frying eggs and I'll show you me assembling the sandwiches. That's to save time so you don't have to sit through a half-hour video. Now my electric skillet, I already did the burgers in there and I wiped it out. It's still hot. I'm going to put a little bacon grease in here because we did some bacon in the oven. And like I said, everything's already prepared except for the eggs. I even have my English muffins toasted and in the oven. That's what's going to go on these. So I'm putting some bacon grease in here that I had left over from the bacon. Let me just put my cord back up here. It slipped down. And I have some farm fresh eggs. My sister-in-law Candy has a friend who has a farm. She gives us eggs. And I'm going to do an egg for each one of us. Except for Greg, because my son Greg, he's on a health food kick. And he's going to the gym. And he doesn't want an egg on his. Alright, now that I have all my eggs in there, I put an extra one in just in case one breaks during the flipping. And my skillet's coming back up to temperature. I'm going to season these with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to allow them to do their egg thing and fry. For now that my eggs are all fried, and I threw some Canadian bacon in the pan just to heat it through. It's already cooked. What Canadian bacon is, if you don't know, it's pretty much ham. I'm going to start with an English muffin. Like I said, I pre-toasted. I'm going to go ahead and put a hash brown patty down on there. Then I'm going to take a slice of cheese. Lay it on there. One of my burger patties I have done. And these are hot, guys. Alright. Now I'm going to take 2 slices of Canadian bacon, lay it on there, and that warmed up in that bacon grease, so that's going to be extra good. I'm going to take 2 slices of bacon, and I'm going to grab one of my eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little mayonnaise on top of my bun there, or on top of my English muffin. I don't have it out, but I'll put that on and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I stuck a knife through the middle because this is so big. See that yolk coming out there? It's going to be tasty. Man, that's delicious, guys. You get the crisp of the English muffin. You get the creaminess of the mayonnaise and the egg. You get the hash brown. You get the saltiness of the bacon and the Canadian bacon, or Canadian bacon and the bacon. And you get that cheese. That's really delicious, guys. And if you prep everything ahead of time, it isn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Royal Bacon Breakfast Burger. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.